Sleeping through the day, wake up with champagne, brought me an A. I told my mother I would quit, what can I say? I'm still breathing, falling in love every evening, so we just gonna stay. Teenage dreamers, born this way. I told my mother I'd grow up, what can I say?
Good morning, you guys. Oh my god, look at the clouds and the sun is shining through the clouds. So I'm currently driving right now. I'm on my way to Fontana. I have to go pick up my my godbrother. He's currently living there, but he has like a ceremony to come back to Long Beach, so no one's not picking him up. So I woke up like at literally like 5:30, almost 6 o'clock, to go pick him up. So yeah, so you can't see my face right now because I'm trying to like focus on the road, so you know, safety first, you know. So but I just wanted to, the skies are really beautiful right now, so I just wanted to share with you guys how beautiful it is and like how the view of the mountains are. Like, it's so beautiful this morning. It's like 7:02 right now, so it's really good weather. It's 59 degrees, kind of chilly, but yeah, I just wanted to share how the cloud looks like. It's really beautiful. So if there's anything, I'll just show my brother. I think if he wants to be on my vlog, then I'll just show you how he is. He is a Buddhist monk. He's not a regular person. He is a Buddhist monk that has a robe on. So if he agreed to be on my vlog, then you guys can see him. If not, then maybe we can take some pictures and then I can show you guys, or you know, or maybe even a little glance. But I will. So we just arrived home. It is 8:41. So yeah, I asked him if he wants to be on my vlog, but he was like, no, he don't know what the vlog mean. So you know what? He came straight to the house. He was so bored in Fontana. He's like, no phone, no laptop, no internet. So it was so boring. When he saw my face drive in the monastery, he was so happy. A big old smile on his face. And I was making fun of him. And so now, like, when we just came back home, he went to use the restroom, he went straight to my laptop. And I was just editing videos, and he went straight to my laptop and did not ask me to use it. Like yeah. So, yeah, so I'm having chicken, then we're gonna head out to the ceremony house, see what's going on. So I'll keep you guys posted. Bye! Hey guys! So as you see, I'm dressed up. I am going to the ceremony today. Well, it's his birthday and he didn't even tell us. And I had to find out just because of Facebook. And he's like, it's my real birthday or fake? Because you know people put fake birthdays on Facebook. So yeah, so I'm getting ready to head out for a ceremony. So like, that's my mama. Oh, what's up, Angel? So yeah, I didn't make up tutorial for you guys, so I was on the rush. I just really just put foundation, blush, and whatever. Like I told you, I'm not really a makeup fan, so I just do whatever. And I have this dress on with this necklace, and I have this bracelet. So.
Playing on my guitar on the